All right, welcome back. So this is another challenge activity. This is code.org for functions, and we're creating functions to organize a game. This is actually a multi-part thing here. So we're going to create these two functions in this challenge activity, and then I'll do another video later on to do the other functions that you will need. Okay, so for this one we're doing game background and move paddle. So we're going to have to create, they really don't have anything down here for you. They got everything created, so all the variables. They do have the draw function, but they don't have the functions in here yet. And then we need to create the game background, and we need to do the move paddle. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to first, I like to create the functions first before adding them to that, just so I know that they're done. So this first background is going to be game background. And then if you look at here for the game background, really we just need to add a background color. So we're going to go ahead and go to drawing. We're going to add a background color in here. And we'll say that this is going to be, let's do light blue. Okay, oh, actually that does not need to be capitalized. Okay, so if we go ahead and see, we can see the characters moving here. So now I need to add my function into this. And now we have the light blue color for the background. Then the next function we need to make is the move paddle. Okay, so the move paddle, we're just going to kind of do the left and right because we want the paddle to be able to move back right and left like it does right here. Okay, so pretty simple actually, just to do a left and right. So we're going to call this move. And then we just need two ifs, right? So if we press the left arrow, it's going to move this way. If we press the right arrow, it's going to move to the other direction. So we're going to need two ifs within this function. And then we need to go to the key down here. So we'll make this one left, make this one right. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is change the X location for each of these, right? Because we want to move this direction. You can see how the X moves. So we want to have this one and this one. Kind of running out of space here, can't see those very well. And then, because if we move to the left, it's actually going down, we need to subtract from that. Oops. Interesting. Don't have our subtraction here. Well, if this happens and it doesn't have this block for you, like less than doesn't really work for us, okay, we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to text here and just do this by text. So what we really want to do for this sprite.x is we want to take, and we're going to actually do paddle, because that's the name of the character here, is paddle. Is equal to paddle.x minus, let's do 10. Okay, same thing with this one. Not sure why it doesn't have that available to us, but it's fine. And in this case, we're going to add 10 to it. Okay, so this should move the paddle to the right, this should move the paddle to the left. And then in our game function, or our draw function right here, we're going to add in, can I go back to blocks here? That's so interesting that the math isn't over here for the minus and plus, but then I can type them in. Very interesting. Okay, so then right here we're going to go ahead and add in our function move paddle. And just make sure that you spell this correctly down here. Okay, so that should work. So now if I move right and left, there you go. Now if you wanted to slow this down, you could. You don't have to keep it, 10. If you wanted it to be 5, or if you wanted it to be faster, you could do that too. And in the next, we'll do another video that will tackle the other functions, because there are some more functions that we got to do. I actually did the move paddle right here. So we need to do a ball bounce, we need to collect, and then we need to set a score. So we'll tackle those in another video, but this is how you do the game background. This is how you do the move paddle. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding. Good luck.